Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we're doing a wig review and a install, guys. So we're just gonna jump straight into this video. This hair was sent to me by MyFirstWig, and these are the gifts that I got. I got a free wig stand, and I got this pouch with all the things that you need to install your wig. I got some duck clips, sorry. There's a rat tail comb. I got some bobby pins. Those are some conditioners, and I also received a wig cap, and the wig comes in this really cute case, which I plan on keeping. It's super cute, and that's the wig. It's really beginner friendly. I love MyFirstWig because all their wigs are beginner friendly. There's no plucking needed, no bleaching needed. The wig is ready to go. You literally just have to cut um the lace off, and guys, that's the inside of the wig. It has combs as well. It has elastic bands, guys. This is the wig straight out of the package, and on my head I'm in love with how the roots look. It's bleached, and it's actually bleached properly. It looks really good, guys. I wore this wig glueless. I did not glue it down, and it came out pretty awesome. I have a cut like an open cut right on the side of my face because of a burn that I got from a hot comb. So I wasn't about to glue anything down on my hair. So this is the wig straight out of the package. So deadass, if you are new to wigs and wig wearing isn't your specialty, you can get away with just taking this out and putting it on your head, and you're good to go. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just using my hot comb to straighten the hair and push it back so it looks more neat and more natural. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go in and cut the lace off, guys. This wig is their engine here, sleek straight lace front wig, and I think this wig is the DS009 wig. I'm gonna leave all that information down in the description bar. This is a 20-inch wig, and it's a 130% density, so it has a very natural density, and it is silky. And this is their average cap size, and it does have the adjustable elastic bands. So I'm just going in with some mousse to kind of sleek everything back, so it looks very natural. And yeah, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna cut that lace off after I'm finished laying it with my hot comb. Guys, when you're using a hot comb, be very careful. I have a burn on my face because of the hot comb. It's no joke. Be really careful when you're using a hot comb. And yeah, I'm just straightening that out, and then I'm gonna cut the lace off, and then we're gonna continue into styling this wig. And guys, as I said, this wig is very beginner friendly. Look at the knots. It looks really amazing. I did nothing. I did no plucking, nothing at all. And you're gonna see how bomb this hair looks when I'm done with it. And yeah, I didn't add any powder to the lace either. This is just exactly how the wig came. I'm cutting off the lace, and I'm using an eyebrow razor just to cut it off. And yeah, after cutting the lace off, we're gonna go in and curl it. This wig was super simple, super easy, super fast. So as I said, if you're a beginner, MyFirstWig is really a go-to if you're trying to get a wig. If you're lazy, you don't even have to be a beginner, but if you're a lazy wig wearer and you don't want to do that extra, this wig is simple. Pop it on your head and you can go. Guys, MyFirstWig also is having a big sale in July. I'm going to leave a coupon code down below where you can get $30 off whatever wig you're buying from their site. I think that's really good. I think it's their anniversary sale, but all that information, guys, will be down in the description bar. So be sure to open the description bar and check it. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Crown K. I really hope you stick around. Be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know the deal. I hope you have your post notifications on So now that the wig is on, guys, like look at how good it looks, and that is without any kind of like glue, any kind of gel. It had nothing because, guys, I had an open cut like on my face, and I was not about to put anything to get it like infected. So this is literally glueless to the T. And yeah, after getting my part secured, I'm gonna go in and like give myself some loose curls. I wanted like just like some loose like beach curl kind of vibe or whatever. I don't have like a curling iron, so I went in with my flat irons. Yeah, and I'm going in with a Got to Be heat protectant spray. And guys, the curls were not supposed to be neat, so like don't come for me. The curls were just like big curls that I was trying to do. Yeah, my flat iron is small, so ugh, it took a lot of like effort to. It didn't really like come out as big as I wanted the curls to be, but I tried, and my hair turned out super cute. And guys, this hair does not shed. Let me tell you, it does not shed like at all. And that's crazy, right? It doesn't shed. It curls pretty well, and yeah, I have nothing bad to say about this hair. I think this is a really, really good wig. As I said, if you're a beginner, if you're new to wigs, this is definitely a wig that you can rock. Like you can deadass like rock this with like having no knowledge of wigs. You can get away with this. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna go in and put my curls in, and then I'm just gonna like comb it out and like fluff it out, and that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed the rest of this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe. Like, I hope you're subscribing and you're not just like watching and not subscribing. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned until the end and be sure to check out that description bar. Bye, guys. I love you.